581. If you know what's good for you, you will go to the longer playlist on the Ninja Coder channel. You're on the advanced playlist, and we don't got fucking time. Let's go. Conways function section within the optimized tile access section. We have our putter that takes these parameters. These are the same parameters. You can read here what they are. Let's get into it. Okay, so these are two flags for letting us know if we need to recalculate data pixel X or data pixel Y. Step 2 of 9. If the H3X or H3Y cache is invalid, then we need to recache those values right here and say that we need to recalculate dpx and dpy, right? Okay, down here, if R13 cache is invalid, we're going to recache it. We're going to figure out R4x and R4y, and then we're going to decide if we need to recache R4x and recalculate dpx, recache R4y and recalculate dpy, and one of those or both should have been set. Step 4 of 9, if the tile size is different from the last time we called, we're going to recache the tile size. We're going to extract the lateral span and diagonal offset using the tile size, and then we're going to recalculate both dpx and dpy because these values are used in both the dpx and dpy formulas. It's 5 of 9, the layer. If the layer changes, we recache it. We can get the lateral multiplier x and y, and then we can decide which one of those multipliers has been invalidated since the last time it was used, and recalculate dpx or dpy respectively, depending on if lmx or lmy has changed. And then once again, one or both of those should have changed. Okay, 6 of 9. If the room local coordinate has changed, we're going to recache it, recalculate dpx. Room local y changed, recache it, recalculate dpy. dpx formula is right here. I don't have time to explain it. The dpy formula is right here. If you want an explanation, I bet these little tags will take you to some type of diagram. Okay, step 8 of 9. If either one of these flags is dirty, then we need to calculate the index that represents this 2D pixel coordinate, and then convert that index to the byte address. Once we have the byte address, we can extract the RGBA values from our input U32 and pack them into our pixel array here, and that is the end of it. So here's what we did previously, here's all of our footnotes and our fucking diagrams, and here's what we did in this video. It took me forever. Like and subscribe, but really you want to go here because I know we didn't cover much here. Okay, like and subscribe. My name is Kanji.